Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Ganit Room. Today we will learn about the polynomials, introduction of polynomials, what polynomials are basically. So let's start. The main concept of polynomial is the combination of variable, terms, coefficients, constants, expression, power and degree. So you have to know what these all terms contribute to polynomials. So first one is variable. Variable is the alphabetical terms which we see in our polynomial, like this x, this y, this x, y, x, y, y, x. This all are called variables whose values are unknown. The unknown terms is known as variable. क्लियर? जिनके बारे में हमें पता ही नहीं होता वो वेरिएबल में काउंट होते हैं. सेकेंड वन इज टर्म. टर्म इज 7x plus 2. Like, so in this there is two term. One term is 7x and second term is 2. This expression is made up of two terms. Like in this 9x raised to power 4 plus 4y plus 2. Here we have three terms. 1, 2 and 3. These are terms. Next, coefficients. Coefficients are the number written opposite to variables. Like 8 is written opposite to x square, so 8 is coefficient of x square, 8 is coefficient of y, 700 is coefficient of x, 4 is coefficient of x square, 3 is coefficient of y, 2 is coefficient of xy and 2x is coefficient of y. So except y, all the terms will be count as coefficient, whether it is variable, whether it is number. हमें y को छोड़ के अगर y का कोफिशिएंट पूछा है तो उसके अलावा जो भी हमारे पास नंबर और वेरिएबल होगा वो कोफिशिएंट में काउंट होगा. लाइक यहाँ x का कोफिशिएंट क्या है? सो x का कोफिशिएंट हमारे पास है 3y. नेक्स्ट, कांस्टेंट. द कांस्टेंट्स आर दोज टर्म्स in which no variable is included, only whole number or simple number or integer or real numbers, all the numbers are included in constants. Expression. When we combine all these terms, when we combine variable, terms, coefficient and constant, we get an expression like 9x square plus 4x plus 2. This is an expression combined of variable, terms, coefficient and constant. Power is how many times we have multiplied a variable. Like x raised to power 3. Here power of x is 3 and here power of x is 1. So tell me, what is the power of x here? It is 4. What is the power of x here? It is 1000. Degree is our highest power. डिग्री हमारी हाईएस्ट पावर होती है. Like 9y cube plus 2y square plus 1. So highest power is 3. So degree of this polynomial is 3. Let us find out some terms for this expression. The expression is 4x raised to power 100 plus 9y square plus 18 plus 7 plus 1y square. So here variable are x and y. Coefficient. x raised to power 100 का कोफिशिएंट 4 है, y स्क्वायर का कोफिशिएंट 9 है और y स्क्वायर का यहाँ कोफिशिएंट क्या है? 1. सो दीज आर कोफिशिएंट 1 ऑफ y स्क्वायर, 9 ऑफ 4 ऑफ x raised to power 100. Sorry. Next we have degree. Degree is the highest power in the polynomial. So highest power in the polynomial is 100. So 100 is degree of this polynomial. So you have to tell degree and terms in this following expression. So how many terms we have? 1, 2, 3. How many terms we have here? 4 plus 4, 8. 8x square. This will become 8x square. Here we have only one term. Here 100 plus 9x plus 3y plus 2y square. All are unlike terms. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4 terms. Here 2xy plus 3yx. These two terms are equal. These are similar to each other. They are like terms. So we can add up these. This will become 5xy plus 5. So here are two terms. Next you have to solve all these questions. Next we move to types of polynomial. important topic, another important topic, types of polynomial. We differentiate polynomials on two bases. First on degree. First we learn on the basis of degree, then we learn on the basis of term. So on the basis of degree, we differentiate polynomial into three types. First one is degree equal to 1, second one is degree equal to 2, and third one is degree equal to 3. So 7x plus 1. Here you see degree of this polynomial is 1. Highest power is 1. So degree of this is an example of polynomial having degree 1. Here also we have degree 1, 2y raised to power 1. So those polynomial which have degree 1 are known as linear polynomial. Next, degree 2, 9x square. We have only one term in the polynomial whose highest power is 2. So its degree is 2. We have two terms but highest power is 2 and 1, 2. So degree of this polynomial is 2, and those polynomial which have degree 2 are known as quadratic polynomial. Next, we have degree equal to 3, 19x raised to power 3 plus x, 17x raised to power 3 plus x square plus x. Here you can see degree is 3, highest power is 3, degree is 3, and these polynomial are known as cubic polynomial, linear, quadratic and cubic. So let's solve some examples. 7x plus 2x plus 1x square. Highest power is 2. So degree of this polynomial is 2. This will comes out quadratic polynomial. 4x cube plus 4x square. Degree 3. Cubic polynomial. 7x square plus 1x. Degree 2. Quadratic polynomial. Degree 2 quadratic polynomial. Degree 1. Highest power 1. Linear polynomial. Degree 3. Highest power is 3. Cubic polynomial. You have to solve all these examples, questions written in this box. You have to tell what type of polynomial is this based on degree. Next we will learn types of polynomial based on terms. Like first we have term 1. In term 1 we have only one term, like single 9. All the constants come under term 1 if they are written single. Next 7x, 100x square. There is no number, इसके साथ कोई भी अलग नंबर नहीं है जो प्लस या माइनस में हो. So these all number contribute into term 1, and these are known as monomials. Next we have term 2. In term 2 we get two terms. Clear? 7x plus 9y. These are unlike terms. Mind it, unlike terms. दोनों terms plus नहीं होनी चाहिए, minus नहीं होनी चाहिए. These are unlike terms. We have two terms. This will comes out binomial. Next term 3. 1x cube, 1x square, 1x. All the terms are unlike. So these contribute to 3 terms, and 3 terms for this we know it is trinomial. So monomial, binomial and trinomial. Next we can do some questions. Tell the type based on terms. 7x plus 2x. You can see you can see here two terms. No, these are not two terms. ये दो टर्म्स नहीं है because ये दोनों के दोनों like term है, इनका वेरिएबल सेम है. We can add up them and it will become 9x. So this will contribute to one term and contribute to monomials, known as monomials. Next 9y plus 100x. In these 9y and 9y sum up, it will become 18y plus 100x. So these are two terms, and two terms we have binomial. Clear? 101x square plus 99y square. See here we cannot add up these two terms. These two terms are unlike terms. So these are two terms and these are ये binomial है. Next 7 is a single term, one term. This is monomial. 2x cube plus 4x square plus 5x. All the terms are unlike terms. They are not going to add up. So these are trinomial. 3 terms. Next, 100x cube plus 10x square plus 2x plus 4x. 100x cube, कोई भी टर्म 100x क्यूब की जैसी नहीं है, सो दिस इज अनलाइक टर्म. नेक्स्ट 10x स्क्वेयर एंड 4x स्क्वेयर. वी कैन ऐड दिस 100x क्यूब प्लस 14x स्क्वेयर प्लस 2x. सो हमें लग क्या रहा था कि ये 4 टर्म्स है, बट एक्चुअली दीज आर 3 टर्म्स and this will known as trinomial. So here in box I have put some polynomials. You have to tell their type on the basis of terms. Clear? Next we will do in another video. So thanks for watching and solve all these questions based on types of polynomials. Thank you.